YouTube, thank you for watching Kyrie FX. This is the 7th lesson of the beginner's course for Forex. Thank you for watching again. If you reached it this far, very good. I hope you watched the previous 6 lessons so that this video will be more understanding to you. Hit that like and subscribe button. And please watch the full video as you will uncover very important information about risk management. This will help you be able to maintain your account in the long term because you don't want to just blow your account right away when you're trying to make a fortune off this. Forex, you can make a living off Forex, but you have to be very disciplined. You have to understand risk management. You're not here to get rich quick within a week. You're here to build an account slowly and surely so that in the long run, when you have high capital, then you could be able to make some quick money fast in a week or something, a high amount. But be willing to risk that high amount as well, because the same amount of money you're willing to win, you got to be willing to lose. So if you're trying to go for $1,000, you have enough in your account to lose $1,000. That's why risk management is key. So that being said, again, like and subscribe. Please hit that notification bell because I'm going to be dropping a lot of videos, man. I am very serious and committed to this. I want to help you guys become a very successful trader as I am still on my journey myself. But I just want to say that I have learned so much going through companies, watching other YouTubers, trading myself, going through experiences, blowing accounts and all that, that I feel confident enough to help you guys learn how to trade Forex the right way. All right, so that being said, guys, let's get into it. All right, sharing desktop, risk management and Forex. So this video is gonna be a bit short, but it's gonna be self-explanatory. Like, risk management is key. All right, if you want to keep your account maintained, follow the plan of trading with good risk management. Okay, so I'm just gonna break it down. If you watched my last video about lot sizes, this should make a lot of sense. If you haven't watched that video, please go back. It is lesson 6, understanding the lot sizes in Forex. That's what the title should be called. Watch that video and then come back to this one because then it will make way more sense. All right, but risk management. Let's say you were starting with $100. For every, I'm not going to put it equal. For every $100, you should use one micro lot. There we go, micro lot. All right. What is one micro lot? You ask. That is, oh gosh, tweaking. A micro lot is 0.01, which is 10 cents per pip. Okay. So for every $100 you want, you would trade one micro lot. Let's say I had $300. Then that would be 0. Let's do this, equals 0.03, which is 30 cents per pip. So kind of this video is a recap of lot sizes, but also just helping you understand risk management. Let's say I had 400 or no 900, all right? $900 in my account. This is for beginners. If you know, if you're going through this videos, first time doing Forex, you should be doing this. But if you're more experienced, you could play with it. You could play with the lot sizes. You could add it up a little bit. I trade very aggressive, high lot sizes that can blow your account, which is why I blow my accounts a lot. But by knowing what I'm looking for and just being disciplined, I could grow my account very fast. So yeah, it just takes experience, a lot of mistakes. You're gonna make a lot of mistakes in Forex, but just know that It'll be worth it. And then just don't quit. As long as you don't quit, you will become a profitable trader. All right. So $900 will be 0.09 micro lot, and that would be 90 cents per pip. All right. Let's say you had 1,000. Now you're going to use a mini lot. A mini lot is 0.10. That's a mini lot, which is $1 per pip. All right, $1 per pip. Let's say you got $2,000 in your capital. Then you will use 0.20, which is $2 per pip. Now, based on what you choose for the amount on your demo account, go with this. All right. Let's say you have $10,000 in your account. All right. Especially demo. I doubt you're gonna, as a beginner, have $10,000 to play with. If you do, sorry, seeing some dust or something being blown outside. That's weird. But if you do have it, if you do have $10,000 to play with, kudos to you. Kudos to you. If you have $10,000, that's very great. But this is when you can start using standards. Standard lot sizes. All right. A standard lot size, $10 per pip. You got 20K. Ball in. You got 20K in there. All right. You can use two standards, which will be $20 per pip. And you know, in this case, when you trade like this, you're more than likely to not blow your account fast. And it may seem boring at first, like why would I want to just get 10 cents per pip with $100 when I want to make more money? All right. That's why it's very good to just have way more capital when you start Forex. Unless you know what you're doing, unless you know what you're looking for, as a beginner wise, just take my advice. You have to start slow. You have to learn slowly, okay? You have to go through the process, through the journey, and just see results with success. Once you start becoming more consistent with hitting your pip goal, then increase the lot size. But as a beginner, if you want to maintain your account, your capital, go with this plan for risk management. This is what you should be doing in Forex, all right? So whatever you choose for your demo account, because you should be on demo, you should not be on live right now, you should be on demo, whatever you choose, go with this plan. Literally, the rule is right here. For every $100 you use, one micro lot. And it increases. $1,000, every $1,000, a mini lot. All right? For every $1,000, use a mini lot, which is 0.10. For every 10,000, use a standard, which is 1.00. And if you are still confused on these lot sizes, go back to lesson 6 and watch, right? It's lesson 6, yeah. Go back to lesson 6 and watch the video on how I explain lot sizes. All right, but that's pretty much it. Now, to make things simple, let's say I had 1,000. These are just examples. With $100, I can't do this. Watch. With $100, I can't do this, and it'll make more sense when I get into higher numbers. But with $100, or no, 150, my bad. 150, I cannot do 0.015. That's not an option. That's not an option. It only will let me go 2 decimal places. So in this case, you might want to go 0.2 with 150. but I say stay with 0.01 to be safe until you reach 200. Well, let's say, let me leave that there. All right, let me leave that there. 0.01 or 0.02. Well, let's say you got 1,500. So you got 1,500. Now you could do you're going to use a mini lot. You could do 0.15, which would be $1.50 per pip. See how that might make sense more? Because now you're able to add the 15. And since, you know, for every 1,000, the rule, for every 1,000 use a mini lot, you know, you could use 1.15 if you want to stick exactly to the rule as your capital increases. If you're doing, you got 15,000 in there. I'm just giving you scenarios so you could really understand how to place your trades the smart way. You got 15,000 in there. You would do a standard, right? You would do a standard, and then you could add a mini lot, $1.50, which will equal, $15, $15 per pip. All right, $15 per pip. And that being said, this should be useful for you guys. Please take notes, write all of this down, because this is also helpful information if you want to be a successful trader in the long term, especially as a beginner. As a beginner, this is the rules you should be going by. Once you get more confident in your trading abilities, you can change it up and do as you please, whatever works best for you. You know, you'll eventually find your strategy within a year or two. But as of now, as you're learning, watching my videos, trade with this type of lot size. Risk management is key. And if you do not listen to me, you're going to fail in Forex, period. You're going to fail in Forex if you don't listen to me and acknowledge the importance of risk management, all right? So take notes. Please have a Forex notebook. I am pushing this in a lot of my videos. Have a Forex notebook and write everything down, because you're going to be going back to it. And like literally, I'm giving you all the bits and pieces you need to become a knowledgeable Forex trader. I'm letting you get all the information needed so that you could really understand Forex market. So you can not only trade, but you can explain it better to someone else. As you start taking this more serious and people start seeing you pursue the Forex industry more, you're going to have the knowledge to actually explain what it is and actually show people what it is to where they actually understand as well. All right. Thank you for watching this. My Instagram is KyrieFX. If you got any questions, comment in the YouTube video or DM me on my IG. If you like the option of emailing, my email is wealthybull99@gmail.com. Like and subscribe, guys. Hit that notification bell, because I'm going to be dropping videos like crazy as I'm doing right now. And I will see you in the next lesson, lesson 8, where we will be learning, what is it? I'll teach you Trading View. This is Trading View, all right? In lesson 8, I'll teach you how to create your trading account. This is powerful, because this right here is going to be the site where you're going to learn how to actually look at the charts and actually mark it up and know what to look for. TradingView is what I used to learn. I didn't really learn on my phone, but thanks to TradingView, after doing hours and hours of looking at the charts, marking it up, all of that, now I can look at my phone, because the phone is smaller. It's smaller. Like, it's a smaller screen. It's kind of harder to mark everything up and see everything thoroughly. As you see here, with this bigger screen, I can see candlesticks and, you know, changing time frames. I can see the overall movement. All right. See that? I can see the overall movement, especially changing time frames, but it just looks way better. But let me show my phone the difference of what it might look like. All right. It just looks more flat, you know. On my phone, it just looks more flat. It just looks more flat. Now I could change it, you know, and zoom out a little. I could zoom out. zoom out, you'll see it's not the same like the chart you're looking at right now. With the chart, I could see it way more clear. But since I've been trading on my phone for a while and stuff, I know what to look for. I am comfortable with looking at my phone now, trading on my phone simply. Like, I don't have to go to TradingView all the time to see what's going to happen with the market. I could trade on my phone, no problem. But that's just because I put a lot of time and energy into it. And if you want to get into that level, you're going to have to dedicate yourself, putting hours into watching these videos that I'm making, and hours into watching these charts, looking at these charts, hours into understanding candlestick patterns, all of that. But that's going to be in an intermediate course where I'm going to get more detailed into all of that. Right now, I'm just setting you up to become a Forex trader by giving you all the fundamentals that you need to know, the basic information, so that you can start trading and just start doing, good things with yourself as a trader. So yeah, again, I'm repeating myself, but please like and subscribe, man. I need that. It helps me. I'm helping you. I'm putting all my time and energy in this channel to help you guys for free. All right. This may still be free forever, or I might take this course off and start charging people for it, depending on me. So take advantage, guys. Please take advantage and help me out with liking and subscribing and hitting that bell, because I'm going to be dropping more content. That being said, guys, I appreciate you. Thank you for watching Kyrie FX, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.